famous oil refinery under the public sector? In Gujarat, Salaya, 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 Viramgram, and here we can be able to see in the Surat, Hazira, Kawas. Surat district में क्या देख रहे हैं आप? Hazira and Kawas. Which are the two regions in the Surat? So which are the four important I have said? Salaya, Viramgram, and can you remember I said that Hazira and Kawas. और अहमद जी अपने आप में वीर थे, yes or not? Viramgram, Ahmedabad में this. So if I am talking about oil pipelines in India, first we are going to see in the eastern part of India, this is Sikkim, this is Bhutan, this is Arunachal Pradesh, this is Nagaland, this is Manipur, this is Mizoram, Tripura, and this is, I said, Meghalaya. So the first pipeline which started in India, that is starting from Naharkatia to in Guwahati. In the Naharkatia, first I said that Naharkatia, Nunmati. यहाँ से यहाँ तक this is the pipeline has come in Guwahati, and from there it goes to Barauni. 1962, 1964, here it is. So I said that first oil pipeline, I said that Naharkatia, Nunbatti, Barauni. Can you remember in your mind? Naharkatia, Nunmati, Barauni. Which oil pipeline I said? And Barauni in Bihar, and the Bihar, the famous region. Understood? And Barauni is the biggest oil refinery, and Nunmati in the Guwahati is also oil refinery. So, Nunmati, and this is Barauni, and this is Naharkatia. Understood? This is clear. याद हो गया? Which oil pipeline? Yes, बोला करेंगे. जितने भी oil pipeline you have to speak. Nunmati, sorry, Naharkatia, Nunmati, Barauni. Is it okay? And यहाँ से कच्चा तेल आ रहा है, crude oil, जिसमें से petrol, diesel, gasoline, kerosene, different kind of gases, and all these things we are removing. So it is coming to the, I said that Nunmati, and then Nunmati in which district? Kamrup, Guwahati के पास, Guwahati district, Guwahati के पास. And after that Guwahati to Siliguri, which one I said that? Guwahati to Siliguri. And black color, when I will use black color, तो इसका मतलब आप समझिएगा कि I am showing you oil, not crude oil. Okay, it is oil pipeline. Nunmati to Siliguri. Nunmati to, understood? The Nunmati to Siliguri, understood? Another pipeline, I said that. Understood? Nunmati to Siliguri. Third one, Nunmati to Bogaigaon. Nunmati to Bogaigaon. Able to locate which are the three pipelines I said that? Naharkatia, Nunmati, Barauni, Nunmati, Siliguri, Nunmati, Bogaigaon. And Bogaigaon in Assam, Siliguri is in Bengal. Understood? और यहाँ से refined oil it is going on. It is which one I said that? Refined oil. Is it completely okay? Yes. Nunmati. Thereafter I said that in this region I have this is I said that Lakwa, Rudra Sagar. Lakwa Rudra Sagar se hote hue, one it is going, another it is Barauni, and blue color means crude oil. So third one it is going, I said that next one it is, fourth one it is what? Lakwa Rudra Sagar to Barauni. और इसको मैं इधर से ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ, इसको नीचे से it will be better. Lakwa Rudra Sagar to Barauni. Lakwa Rudra Sagar to, completely okay in your mind? Yes. Now Barauni in Bihar, यहाँ से Barauni in Bihar, it goes Kanpur. So another I said that fifth, Barauni to Kanpur. ये क्या है? Oil pipeline, not crude oil pipeline. It is which pipeline? Yes, tell me. Which pipeline? Oil. Means refined होने के बाद diesel and petrol that it has been sent. Understood? Kanpur. And then I said and Barauni to Allahabad, it is in a gas pipeline. Allahabad. I said that sixth, Barauni to Allahabad, I said that gas pipeline. So याद हो गया? Which are the oil pipeline we have said? Which are the oil pipeline? Tell me first. I said that first. नाहरकटिया, नूनमती, बरौनी. नाहरकटिया, नूनमती, बरौनी. अब नूनमती से दो हैं, नूनमती सिलीगुड़ी, नूनमती बोगईगांव. क्लियर? यही तो मैंने कहा सिंपल. और उसके बाद एक मैंने लिया लकवा रुद्र सागर टू बरौनी. अंडरस्टूड? इसका मतलब दिख रहा है बरौनी इज वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट ऑयल रिफाइनरी. एंड बरौनी टू कानपुर ऑयल पाइपलाइन एंड बरौनी टू इलाहाबाद इट इज गैस पाइपलाइन. गेटिंग इट क्लियर? ना बरौनी से हल्दिया पोर्ट इट इज इन वेस्ट बंगाल एंड बरौनी टू हल्दिया पोर्ट. तो ये कौन सा पाइपलाइन गया? यस टेल मी. बरौनी टू हल्दिया विच ऑयल पाइपलाइन. इसका मतलब ये क्या है? रिफाइंड ऑयल. और इसको बरौनी टू हल्दिया एंड आफ्टर दैट यहां से क्या किया जाएगा? यस टेल मी. इट विल बी सेंड टू व्हाट? अदर कंट्रीज को एक्सपोर्ट किया जाएगा. हम लोग जनरली रिफाइंड करके ऑयल वी आर एक्सपोर्टिंग टू द अदर कंट्रीज आल्सो. क्लियर? बरौनी टू हल्दिया. बरौनी टू हल्दिया और साथ में हल्दिया. आई सेड दैट हल्दिया टू बरौनी. अब हम लोग जो बाहर साउथ ईस्ट एशिया, इंडोनेशिया, मलेशिया, ये सारे कंट्रीज क्या है? वी आर इंपोर्टिंग ऑयल. हल्दिया टू बरौनी वी आर हैविंग व्हाट? क्रूड ऑयल पाइपलाइन. Understood? Haldia to Barauni we have, I said that, crude oil pipeline.